Welcome to Zyla English.
Everyday English conversations for speaking practice.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Zyla English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm David.
How are you today, David?
I'm great, thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, why are you happy?
The sun is shining. I like sunny days. And you, Emma? How are you?
I am very good, thanks. I am also happy. I am excited.
Excited? Why?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
Oh, a big topic? What is it?
Today, we talk about how to train your brain to think in English.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain.
Yes, train your brain, like exercise for your brain.
Exercise. Is it difficult?
No. It is not difficult. It is easy and it is fun.
Easy and fun. Okay, I am ready.
That's great. But wait, before we start...
Oh yes, before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click.
And please subscribe to Zyla English.
Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share with everyone. Okay, I am ready. Train my brain.
Okay, David, let's start. So, when you speak English, what do you think?
What do I think? I think in my language.
Ah, yes, your first language.
Yes, I think a word in my language, then I translate in my head.
Yes, translate.
Then I speak the English word. I understand many students do this.
Yes, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow. My brain is, hard work.
It is hard work, and our goal is to think in English.
Think in English? Wow!
Yes, no translate, just English.
That sounds fast.
It is. It is fast. It is natural.
Okay, I want this. How do we start?
We start small, very, very small.
Like one word.
One word is good, but a small sentence is better.
A sentence? Oh, that sounds big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't just think pen, I think this is my pen.
Ah, this is my pen. Or my pen is blue.
Yes, exactly. Good job, David.
Thank you. Okay, so small sentences in my head.
Yes, all day. For example, in the morning, you wake up.
Okay, I wake up. I am awake.
Yes, perfect. Or, I am hungry. I want coffee.
I go to the kitchen. I open the door.
Yes, this is it.
Really? Is this training my brain?
Yes, you are thinking in English sentences. I brush my teeth. The water is cold.
I see my face. I am very handsome.
This is tip number 1. Think in small sentences.
When I am at home, when I am on the bus.
Yes, I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
You connect the English to your life, not to your language.
Yes. English to life, no translation. This is the big secret.
Exactly. Tip 1, small sentences. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 is input.
Input. What is input?
Input is English in. English goes in your ears and your eyes.
Listening and watching.
Yes, like this podcast.
We are great input. When you listen to Easy English, your brain hears the patterns.
The rhythm, the music of English.
Yes, it gives your brain food. English food.
So what do I listen to?
Well, Zyla English, of course.
Of course.
And simple songs. Find simple English songs you like. When you like the music, listening is fun.
Yes, fun is good. Learning must be fun.
Simple pop songs are very repetitive.
Repetitive. The words again and again.
Yes, I love you.
What else?
And watching videos. Movies are good, but sometimes they are very fast.
Too fast. The words are whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
So find things you like to watch. What do you like, Emma?
I like cooking and travel videos.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English. The person says, I cut the tomato. I add salt.
You connect the word and the action.
Exactly. Because you like cooking and travel, it is not boring. Your brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more. So tip 2 is input. Listen and watch.
This feeds your brain. Tip 3 is output.
Output.
Yes, English out, like speaking.
But David, I am alone. I have no one to talk to.
You have you. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself.
Yes, do it in your room, in the car, in the shower.
People will think I am crazy.
No, it is a fantastic way to train. Look around your room and describe it. Your ears need to hear your voice.
Okay, this is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big. I have a table.
Great job. Keep going.
A lamp. The lamp is on. I have a computer.
Wow, this is amazing.
This feels strange, but good.
Your brain is working. It is finding the words.
And I am not translating, right?
No, you see the bed, you say bed. You connect the thing and the word.
Yes, this is training. This is how you build English in your brain.
You can also talk about your day. At night, in bed, say, today I was happy. I ate pasta for lunch.
I talked to David. David is very smart.
See, we are talking. This is output, speaking.
So I don't need a partner.
A partner is good, but you don't need a partner to start. You can start alone.
So tip 3, speak to yourself. Describe your world.
Yes. What am I doing now? I am sitting. I am cooking. I am happy.
This is perfect. Let's review.
Yes, review. Tip 1.
Think in small sentences all day. I am walking. I am reading.
Tip 2. Input. Listen and watch things I like.
Easy English podcasts like Zyla English. Simple songs and videos about cooking or travel.
And tip 3. Output. Speak to myself. Describe your room. Describe your day.
David, this is great, but is it fast? Do I learn fast?
No, Emma, it is slow. Learning a language is slow, but that is okay. Be patient.
Oh, okay, I will be patient.
Yes, be kind to your brain. Do it every day. 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
Not 2 hours.
If you have 2 hours, that's fine. But at least 10 or 15 minutes every day is very good.
Ah, okay. Small steps every day.
Small steps every day.
And what if I make a mistake?
Oh, good question. Mistakes are good. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes mean you are learning.
Oh, okay, I will be brave.
Don't be afraid to be wrong. And have fun.
Yes, it must be fun. I like watching travel videos. That is fun.
And I like talking to you, Emma. That is fun.
Me too, David. Wow, my brain feels bigger.
Your English brain is growing.
That was a great episode, David.
Thank you, Emma. You had great examples.
Thank you. I hope this helps everyone.
Me too. And if it helps you, everyone listening, please don't forget to subscribe to Zyla English.
Yes, subscribe for more easy, fun episodes.
And share this episode. If you have a friend learning English, send it.
Share the fun. And we have a question for you.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you do to train your brain?
Do you listen to music? Do you speak to yourself? Do you watch cooking videos?
Write your tips in the comments. We want to read them.
Yes, we do. Thank you for listening, everyone.
It was so fun. See you next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye.